Hello YouTube, it's been a little while since I uploaded a video and I had many things to do and I designed a new version of my OLEDiUNO PCB. This is version number 3, which you can see here. It has some new features which I will talk about in another video and show them to you. Version 3 2017. Anyway, this is my first new product with the new PCB. It is a GPS tracker that records the data onto a micro SD card. And right now it's not focusing. No. Right now you see the red LED, which is the power LED of the GPS module, the green blinking because it gets a signal, and the blue one is blinking because it does not record on a SD card right now because the SD card is sitting in here. I just did a test run with it. Now I take it out of the computer and plug it in. I hope the right way. As soon as I plug it in, you will see the blue LED blink over a shorter period of time. Only 40 milliseconds. Now let me turn this light off here. Now you can see the blue LED only blinking in a shorter interval, not as long as before. This means it is recording the received GPS data onto the SD card. It does open a new folder for each day, and for each recording it has a separate file. Now it just lost the signal because I'm inside. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes. Now here it is back again. And let me put the light back on here. Now let me show it to you up close. Let me turn it off here. Plug it. It was running on 4.5 volts, by the way. You can go up to 5 volts. And it has a 3.3 volt regulator on there. Let me get something pointy to show it to you. Put this light up there. Okay. With this new PCB, this is the 3.3 volt regulator. So you need this actually for the micro SD card module, which is sitting here, sandwiched in between the PCB and the GPS module. And you can pull it out and put it in like this. Although I just cut my fingernails. It's micro SD card. Push it in. As soon as you push it in, power it up. And as soon as it gets a signal, it starts recording. As simple as that. It does record in the GPX format, which you can use on your computer directly with Google Earth. Now I need to take this, plug it into my computer, and then I will get 1 second. Oops, that was my finger. I get this pop-up window. I click on it. It opens the folder. You can see today's date. And let me see which one was the new one. I think it was this one. And you take and just drag and drop it. Oh, it was the same date, I think. Onto Google Earth. And then you see your location. Of course, since I'm stationary in the house, it just records around the house. Once you get it moving, of course, on the street, then you will have a better look at the data. But this is it, and you can see longitude, latitude, and altitude. If it thinks you're moving, it shows the speed. If not, it just shows the heading that you were moving the last time. Of course, I'm not moving 3.6 kilometers per hour, but if it gets only a few satellites, that's what happens. I will test run this tomorrow again while driving my car and show you how the map looks like when it's actually moving. So anyway, this is my GPS tracker, as I said. Where is it? I put it somewhere. Oh yeah, it is. And as you see, it is real tiny. I can make this with an OLED display also, but it does not make much sense because you just use more power. Like this, it will be more efficient. And you take your card again, plug it in here, and then you're good to go. Let's see if we get some kind of signal right now. Plug it in, turn it on, GPS comes on right away. Let's see if we get a signal. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Of course, I have a lot of electronics here, my TV and everything, and my big mess. Okay, sorry about all that. Anyway, since I moved it, I don't think I'm gonna get a signal right now. But that's alright, you have seen it working. If you're outside, you get reception much better, faster and easier. Anyhow, this is it, my GPS tracker. You can use this in a car or a bike or anywhere, or put it in somebody's purse and see where they're going. And this is it. This is one of my new products. It will be on sale soon on Tindy. If anybody can wait and wants to have it before the ad comes out, you can get in touch with me directly. I'm sure you know how. Anyhow, this was it. Thanks for watching and take care.